Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fake GPS on iPhone without jailbreaking. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to open your browser, okay, and then you want to go to 3u.com, www.3u.com. Alright, so you have Mac and Windows. Alright, so you just select your OS. I have Windows. Alright, then you download, okay. So once you download and install, all right, this is the app. We open it up. So once you open it up, you want to connect your iPhone to your computer, all right, with a cord. All right, so once you connect your iPhone to your, then you should see this device connected. Then you click on OK. So it's going to bring everything about your device. So what you want to do to change your location is you want to go to Toolbox, and then you want to go to virtual location right here. Okay, you click on it. So right here you can search for whatever location you want to change it to. Let's say Toronto. Then you search. Okay, so Toronto, Ontario. Alright, so here we go. So you can zoom in to whatever location you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it down here. Then once you're done setting your location, you just click on modify virtual location. Alright, so I'm gonna unlock my phone. Then you will try. Alright, as you can see, succeeded in modifying the virtual location. Okay, so now that we're done setting our location, now we'll go back to the phone. So now I'm gonna ask Siri what's my location. Hey Siri, what is my location?
You're at 220 Yonge Street, Toronto.
Alright, so as you can see, it has changed our location to the location we set. So it's pretty easy. If you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.